Alright guys, it's time to get the LC out. It's been quite some time, and I need a good run today. Let's see, we're doing some painting for another video. We're going to test out our URGENEX 2200 MA with alright, learning something new today. Alright, there we go. Forward. So hopefully this comes out. I'm about 50-50 with it. I'm running the cars. Track is usable. I made it a ring, so and the ring is all grass, and we got some new grass over here. See, they're on sale again at Ollie's for the guys looking for that kind of stuff. 5x7s are 15, 6x9. Oop. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. We'll see. It has been some time. Hopefully it's coming out. I'm watering some plants. Ooh, I got a leaker. Forgot how nice the LC is. Not that the TCO2 hasn't been fun. Let me fix this. But this is the car that attracted me to RC. You guys see that? Got a feeling that might be a problem. You see, we got the foundation going over there in the back. We should be starting with the framework this weekend, and it's going to go fast from there. I'm good at that stuff. I'm good at framing. I'm not good at masonry, even though my grandpa was a mason. And my other grandpa was the other kind of mason. He was a printer. Anyways, hopefully this comes out. Guys seem to like my rambling, so I'll just keep rambling and playing. How is this battery dead? This battery's dead. Well, that was short. Huh, maybe it's not dead. Yep, it's dead. But you know what that means? I think the battery on the... We'll do a 2-for-1 deal while we're waiting for dinner. Let's turn this bad boy off. We gotta do a second coat on this while we're at it too. And then we'll turn this bad boy on. Oh. Rolling. Not a bad little rig, guys. And the price is right. Let's see if it's got enough to get up this. Nope. I had a feeling it wasn't gonna. It's pretty steep. But it should be from there fine. Man, the skeeters are out tonight. They're eating me alive. Come on, grab. There you go. This is the secondary trail I just started. Need some little extra glove there, I think. Ooh. Ah! Can he make it? Got the dino. That's good enough. I'm getting eaten alive. Hope you dig. Like and subscribe.